You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, everyone. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we finally have a new mystery box, guys. I know everybody's been asking, where's the mystery boxes? And we got a new one. This one's going to be the Spring Flowers mystery box, which does come with the blue cutie. So let's go ahead and look in the box. Okay, first up in the box, which is perfect for spring, we are getting the patterned iron-on, and this is the In Bloom pink sampler. So there'll be 3 different sheets, and each of them will be 12 by 17 inches. And then I'm going to take this out so you can see, because there's 3 different patterns here. So we have, let's see, this pattern here. I love the different shades of pink with the green. That's one of my favorite things. We have a pink and white floral one here. And then we have this one here, which is the white with a pink small floral print on it. So you get all 3 of these in for the patterned iron-on. Am I weird? Am I the only one who loves the smell of iron-on? I'm like one of those one of those people. It's like, fresh grass in the morning. Fresh iron-on. Next up, we are getting some glitter iron-on mesh, and you're going to get 12 by 19 inches of the pink, and it's sparkly. Can you see the sparkle? Ooh, there we go. Sparkly pink glitter iron-on mesh. You can put this on shirts, you can put it on totes, you can put it on cosmetic bags, book bags. There's so much stuff you can do with it. Then we're going to get some holographic iron-on. So you're going to get 12 by 24 inches of this. And this color is beautiful. It's called Delilah. It's called Dahlia, not Delilah. That's a flower. One's a person. It's Dahlia. And it's like a hot pink magenta color. Just looking on it. It's really pretty. Really pretty. And if you've been watching our channel long, you know I love Infusible Ink. It's just magical to me. And I love the patterns that it can put on things. So we are getting a box of Infusible Ink. And this is the pattern Wildflower. So there's going to be 4 different 12 by 12 sheets here. So you're going to get the navy, the 2 floral ones, and then the gold, well, I call it like mustard color also. This is so pretty. I love that. I actually do not have this color, so I'm super happy to get this. So we're also going to get the premium vinyl, the pearl metallic vinyl. So it's got that pearlness to it. And this color is dew green, and it's super pretty. Like, I would say it's between Kelly green and teal. And you're going to get 12 by 48 inches of this. Can you see the color? Maybe you can see it. Back here, you can kind of see a little more. It's not quite teal. It's not quite Kelly green, but it's pearl, and it's super pretty. But that's not all. We're not done yet. You're also going to get something everyone can use. We always need more of, a premium fine point blade. Never too many of those. And you know what else you can never have too many of? Cricut mats. And you're going to get 3 12 by 12 of the standard Cricut mats, which is awesome because there's nothing like a new mat. At the beginning I said we have a cutie, and we definitely do. So let's go ahead and look at this cutie. So this is the Cricut Cutie, and its color is blue. Here he is. Here is the Cricut Cutie blue. So I did go back and do some research, and it looked like he did come out but a long time ago. So he hasn't been out since 2018. This time the Cricut box was different. So this is a repeat color, but in a different box. And he may even have a different finish. Not positive on that because I do not have that 2018 one to compare it to. I wish I did. It looks so pretty with the pink flowers back there. Look at you. Because we do have the Cricut Cutie in the box, this is available to Access members only, and the box is $59.99, and the MSRP on this is like $121.42, so you're getting over 50% savings on this, plus you get your Access discount. And the links are in the description below to go ahead and purchase this mystery box. And if you're not Access, there's also links below to join Access, which there's so many perks of joining Access. Hundreds of thousands of images, over 750 fonts. You're going to get background remover, monogram maker, the new text wrap, which is awesome. So many different features. And you save on all your purchases at Cricut.com. And every 3 months you get $10 off to spend on Cricut.com. So this was a really good box. I really enjoyed this box because we got some different colors, we got some spring patterns, we got mats, we got blades. Go ahead, share in the comments below if you purchased the box. Also, I would love if you have the original 2018 blue cutie, let us know. Comment below. Let us know, comment below. Like Dr. Seuss over here and didn't know it. And also be watching because we are about to have our Melody Lane monthly giveaway, a new one starting. We had one just ended, so we'll have a new one starting in April, so watch for that. And I like to always thank those that made this possible, so thank you to our amazing admins. You guys, our supporters, our sponsors, we appreciate you all. We hope you have a fabulous rest of your week, and happy crafting, everyone. Doodles! From Alex. Bye!